Welcome back, everyone. So our estate sale coins finally came in. I got 2 rolls. I got these because they both have 1909 enders. So, and also on the opposite side, this one's, it looks like an 1891 Indian head. In this one, it looks like 1893. So these are supposed to be unsearched. So hopefully we find some good goodies, and we're going to go through these one by one, and I'll see you guys in a moment. Alright, so we got that first roll laid out. Let's see what we can find. So the ender, the Indian head, is a 1891. Not too bad. And then we have the other end, it's a 1909 and no VDB. Okay, so we have a 1943, no mint mark, steel cent, 52, looking for the older ones. That looks like that's a 1918, some nice older dates. Looks like a 1919. Yeah, 1919. Another steel cent. 52. And okay. Let's see, we have a 45 S. So another older date, 1929. 49. 56, 40, 49D, 40, 56D, 53D, 49D, 51S, 42, 52. Lots of 40s and 50s in here. Probably what I expected. 52, 42, S. Alright, that does it for the first roll. I'll obviously go through these later, see if I can find any RPMs, any double dies, any other varieties. So, some nice earlier ones. So, we'll see what happens on the next roll. Alright, so we got that second row open. I laid them out, try to put them, most of them face up. So, let's see what we got. We have a 1901 Indian head set, 1893 Indian head, 1930, and 1909. Let's see if it's a VDB. Nope, regular 1909. Okay, have a 1919 S. A couple steelies, one's pretty good condition. Go back down here. The 52's in decent shape. 30, 37, 35, 36, 34. And the rest, they're all 50s and 40s. Probably about what you expect in one of these estate rolls. But all in all, not too bad. I'll go through these later. So, just wanted to show you guys. I'll see you in the next hunt.